Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw the Tesla Cybertruck. Begin by lightly sketching the main trapezoidal body, which forms the truck's core structure. Next, define the sharp, angular roofline and the expansive, flat windshield. Then, add the large, unadorned side panels and the prominent, geometric wheel arches. This foundational step is crucial for capturing the Cybertruck's unique silhouette. Now, let's refine the details that make the Cybertruck instantly recognizable. Carefully draw the thin, continuous horizontal light bar across the front, giving it that futuristic glow. Move to the back and add the matching rear light strip and the sturdy, flat tailgate. Finally, focus on the wheels, sketching the robust, off-road tires and the unique, aerodynamic wheel covers. These elements bring your drawing to life. Hey everyone, if you're finding this drawing tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. On another note, why not bring your space to life with an Echo Dot smart speaker? It's perfect for playing music while you draw or getting quick answers. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the main features in place, it's time to refine your drawing. Erase any unnecessary sketch lines, ensuring all your final outlines are crisp and clean. Begin applying subtle shading to the underside and recessed areas to give your Cybertruck a three-dimensional appearance. Then, add sharp, bright reflections on the flat surfaces to simulate its iconic stainless steel exterior. This step truly makes your drawing pop.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.